Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 8, Installing WordPress Manually. In this video tutorial, we are going to explore step-by-step instructions about how to install WordPress manually on your site. So let's get started. Let's go to Google and search WordPress.org. This is the WordPress official page, and get WordPress from here. Click on it, and on this page, there's a download option. Click on this Download WordPress button. The zip file is downloaded. On our cPanel homepage, go into the File Manager, and then inside Public HTML. It's empty, and we have gotten an Upload button on the top here. Click on it, and then select our downloaded WordPress zip folder to upload it. So the uploading has started. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, click on this Go Back option, and we'll be back in this public HTML folder. Inside, it's showing our uploaded zip folder. Extract the files from this Extract button. After completion, close this pop-up box. So here is the extracted folder, and inside it, there are all the files and folders. Select all the files, and on right-click, choose the Move option. Remove this WordPress from the last as we want it to be directly in public HTML. So click on this Move File button. Get one step back from this Up One Level button. And all the files have been moved successfully here in this public HTML folder. Now, there's no need for this zip folder, so we will delete it. Select the zip folder and click on this Delete button and confirm your action. Now we will need this wp-config-sample file. Right-click and choose Rename. Now we have to remove this dash and sample word here, and click on Rename. So here is our file. Choose it, and choose Edit option from above. Click on this Edit button. The source file is open for you to edit, and it requires your database name, username, and password. For this, go back to the cPanel homepage. Inside Databases, there's MySQL Database Wizard. Open it up. For creating database, we need a new database name. Then, next step. We need to create database users. Select a username and a strong password. Then, click on this Create User button. Next, add a user to the database. Select All Privileges, and then click on Next Step. The confirmation message appears that user is added to the database. Let's get back to our source file, and we can now fill in the details here. Database name should be what we have created along with the same created username and password. Write everything on their respective places. And then click on this Save Changes button. On Google, enter your domain name and insert /wp-admin/install.php. The link is already showing, so open it up. So we are now on WordPress login page. Select your language and press Continue. There are additional details required, like your site title, and enter it here. Then choose a username and password. Then enter your email address, and no need to select this checkbox. So all set, and click on this Install WordPress button. So here is our confirmation page. Our account is created successfully. Let's log in from this button. Enter your username and password here, and click Log In. So here we are. This is our WordPress dashboard, and you can see a welcome message here. It's all done. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress in cPanel. See you in the next video tutorial.